UK representative democracy is dead. Our MPs' representatives, so-called, are no longer servants of the people. They are servants of their respective political parties and the donors and special interest groups those parties represent. As such, our politicians are completely disconnected from voters' needs. In the UK, we have a two-party system, Conservative and Labour, both dominated by technocrats with similar worldviews. They are like a uniparty that is impossible to vote out because of the undemocratic first-past-the-post system. In between general elections, the voters have no real say what the government does and no ability to hold the politicians to account. This makes UK democracy non-accountable, anti-voter participation, and it is one reason why voting levels are declining. So what is the solution? It's direct democracy. What is direct democracy? 1. Citizens directly vote on specific issues, laws and policies rather than electing representatives to make those decisions. The voter becomes an active democratic participant, not a passive serf. 2. Referendums and initiatives, where citizens can propose new laws, changes to government policies, or other specific issues. If sufficient signatures are raised through a petition, these can be put to referendum. 3. Power redistribution. Direct democracy shifts decision-making power from political elites to the general public, ensuring that citizens have a direct say in governance. 4. Continuous engagement. Unlike representative democracy, where citizens vote once every few years, direct democracy involves continuous public engagement in political decision-making. This leads to an active democracy and rising numbers coming out to vote. 5. Accountability. As politicians are held directly accountable to the electorate on individual issues, reducing the possibility of unaccountable governance. 6. Public control. Direct democracy empowers the populace to be the ultimate authority in their political system, making them masters of their fate. 7. The people decide. Decisions are made based on the will of the citizens, not lobbyists, special interest groups, or big donors, as is now the case. 8. Transparency. Direct democracy promotes transparency in government actions and decisions, as these are subject to public scrutiny and approval, not stitch-ups behind closed doors. 9. We have perfect example of how well direct democracy works. Switzerland has a long, stable, deep, direct democracy which began in 1866. Switzerland is one of the most successful countries on the planet, and this is in part down to direct democracy.